These questions, we need to evaluate the logarithm over here on the left. We're trying to solve for x. To solve for x, we need to rewrite it into exponent form. Remember that the 4 that was the base on the log is going to be the base number. The x will become the exponent, and then the 64 will move to the right side. In order to get at that exponent, what we need to do is to create bases that are alike. So 4 to the x power. So I need to know, can I break down 64 by 4s? 64 is actually 4 to the third power. So 4 to the third power is equal to 4 to the x power. Once they have bases that are identical, all you do from there is you set the exponents equal. So my answer is x equals 3. That was a pretty basic one. Let's do one that's a little bit more complicated. We have 1/5 is the base on the log, so that's the base number. X becomes the exponent, and then 125 moves to the right side. I'm not liking having a fraction here, so if I want to move the 5 into the numerator, I can say that it's 5 to the negative 1 power. That is equal to 1 over 5. So if I want to say 5 to the negative 1 to the x, that's the same as having 5 to the negative x power. So if you move the 5 up, you just change the sign on your exponent. And 125 is actually 5 to the third power. We are looking for the bases to be the same. So right now the bases are 5s, so they are matching. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our exponents and set them equal. So negative x equals 3, and you have to change the sign on the x so that you have x and then equal to negative 3 by multiplying or dividing by negative 1 essentially there to get x to be positive. So x is negative 3 on number 2.